Okay, so we're going to graph these two lines. So this is line 1, we'll use red, and then line 2. We're going to graph it using intercepts. Okay, so that's what we were practicing before.
Yeah.
So I want to know for the first equation, y equals negative 3x minus 9. First thing we want to know is the y-intercept. And because it's in slope-intercept form,
9.
the y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So if y equals negative 3 times 0 minus 9, y is equal to negative 9. So for the first one, the first intercept is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Now what is the x-intercept? So the x-intercept is when y is equal to 0,
Negative 3.
right? Okay, how did you get that? 0 equals negative 3x minus 9.
Plus add y on both sides.
Good. Divide by 3. So what did you get?
Negative 3.
That's what you said? Good.
Yes.
So then it's going to intercept here. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 9. I'm writing it as the coordinate. And the x-intercept is negative 3, 0. So these are the two intercepts. So I can connect those and make a line, right? And the other one, the second equation. Now, this is not in slope-intercept form. So 2x plus 3y equals 6. There's two ways you can do this. You can put it into slope-intercept form and find the y-intercept, or we know that the y-intercept is when x is 0, right?
X is equal to 3 in that one.
So, did you do the y-intercept?
Y is equal to 2.
Okay, plus 3y equals 6, yes. So 3y equals 6. I'm just showing all the steps. Divide by 3.
Yeah.
Y is equal to 2, 1, 2. And then what'd you get for the x-intercept?
X is equal to 3.
So you set y equal to 0. So 2x equals 6.
Yeah.
Yep, divide by 2. X equals 3. So the coordinate of the y-intercept is 0, 2, and the x-intercept is 3, 0. So it would be here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now if we want to know where they intersect, we would have to accurately extend it. You can plug in points into the equation, but I'm just going to, it's not going to be accurate here, but if we plug it in, it's actually a decimal number. So it's negative, I just used decimals to get the answer, negative 4.714, 5.143 is the point of intersection. Now, I'm not going to give you a question like that with all these decimals as a point of intersection, but you understand, right?
Yeah.